Advanced Tyre Vietnam Company Limited, a subsidiary of Guizhou Tyre Company Limited, is located in Thanh Giang Province, Vietnam, covering a gross floor area of 29.7 hectares, with an investment of about USD 400 million. By the end of 2021, the production capacity of all steel radial tires has reached 1.2 million sets per year, which can completely satisfy the demand of existing market demand. In the era of Industry 4.0, worldwide manufacturing is speeding up development geared towards the direction of informatization, intelligentization, and greenization. The production of tires, a traditional manufacturing industry, has ushered in a period of unprecedented transformation. Advanced Tyre Vietnam Company Limited has employed technologically advanced equipment focused on intelligent technology production system, functioned as the benchmark of the world's advanced level, built comprehensively green and intelligent factories, and established a new standard in the tire industry. Along with its intelligent and green development concept, Advanced Tyre Vietnam Company Limited enable a full process automated material transportation system and an intelligent environmental protection processing system to ensure multi-dimensional and integrated management of product quality, product logistics, and transportation deployment. After intelligence-based transformation, the production efficiency and product manufacturing quality are improved, while the cost is effectively reduced. Following the product concept of make transportation on the wheels safer, Guizhou Tyre provides customers with the most comfortable operating experience and reduces the unit tire cost of customers, achieving super high cost-performance ratio. With the service concept of producing value-added tire, Guizhou Tyre will continue to meet the needs of the market and customers and manufacture tires with higher commercial value for customers.